was looking for a matching 15-inch 6 lug with a 5.5 bolt pattern wheel to replace one of mine on my trailer that has 5,200-pound axles. You had the wheel that was nearly a perfect match, closer than anything else I could find. Also, it needed 80 psi, which is the high weight capacity, and I found it for $30 less than anywhere else. I'm located in California, and even with everything going on, I received that wheel in a few days with free shipping. Thank you so much. I will be ordering my trailer parts from you again. Sincerely, Tracy Walters.